the best US dollar borderless account for anyone in the world, whether you're a freelancer, trader, trying to convert your dollars, send back to your home country, is Wise, formerly TransferWise. My name's Darren. I'm Canadian, but previously I've lived about 5 years in the US. So I've had a lot of experience trading, converting, trying to get US dollars, trying to convert back to Canadian dollars, getting paid in US dollars, all from being in another country. So I've sorted through all those options so you don't have to. I've been using TransferWise for a couple years now, and they have the best prices you can get for converting US dollars into other currencies. Recently, they came out with a Visa debit card for Canadians, so I recently got my hand on that. And this is a borderless debit card that I can use in up to 200 different countries. So TransferWise and the card kind of solves that problem of being a borderless account. Whether you make income online in a different currency, such as US dollars, euros, and having, let's say, just a Canadian only bank, you're going to be getting killed on those wire fees, those transfer fees, and those conversion fees. So Wise solves this problem of a borderless account. So the account to use is completely free. It is a multi-currency account. So you can hold up to 54 different currencies and get paid in 12 different currencies. Now they make money when you transfer to different bank accounts or you convert your money on the platform. Now it comes with an account number, an institution number. So you have the ability to get direct deposits. You have the ability to pay bills, all with this account. You can convert your money with very low fees compared to traditional banks or currency exchanges, and you can send money to your own accounts, to other people's accounts. They have a free business account that you can open on the side, so you can have a personal and business account completely separate. This helps so much if you do lots of money online. Could be getting paid in a ton of different currencies, and this helps to keep that all separate. So the debit card you can apply for free, and it's only available in specific countries, but once you have it, you can use it in up to 200 different countries around the world. Now you can use this to withdraw money at ATMs in whatever country you are in at that time. Now for Canadians, how do they compare to other accounts? So we're not comparing them to USD accounts, is what you're probably going to look up. These are savings accounts, so you just hold US dollars. You're not able to send and receive. You're not able to use a debit card with it. It's only there to be a savings account in that dollar. And these are relatively cheap, easy to get. What you're going to be looking for is a borderless account, or comparing this to a borderless account. So here in Canada, you can look for a TD borderless account, and this is $4.95 US per month to use, as long as you have a $3,000 balance. But you can use a debit card with this account. Next, CIBC has a borderless account. Again, it's $4.95 per month. This goes up to $14 per month if you don't meet specific requirements of having like $3,000 in the account at a specific amount of time. RBC has one. It's free for the first year if you sign up. If you're not an RBC member, if you are an RBC member, you will be paying $84 per year, I believe. Where TransferWise is completely free to use and has no minimum deposits. And you can hold more than just US dollars. So if you want to hold euros, Aussie dollars, yen, anything else, you can do this with TransferWise. TransferWise does have an ATM fee. Now you get 2 free withdrawals up to $350 per month. Anything above that, you're going to get charged 1.5%. So this could be a more expensive way to get cash than a traditional borderless account or going to the bank. But where you're going to save a lot of money is if you convert a lot of dollars. So let's say if you want to convert US dollars into Canadian dollars. Let's just say you want to convert $1,000 Canadian into US dollars. So when you convert $1,000 on TransferWise, you're going to end up with this exchange rate, and these are the fees they collect, and this is the amount of US dollars you get back. If you go with a traditional bank, you're pretty much going to get fleeced. And everybody knows that a big traditional bank has pretty much the worst exchange rates for dollars you can get. If you traded $1,000 Canadian, this is what you would get at the end of the day after all of the fees. So you can see it is a big difference compared to TransferWise. So you're going to save a lot of money if you do transfer money from, let's say, Canadian to US or US to Canadian. So the pros of TransferWise, it's completely free. It's a cheap currency exchange that's online, ready for you at a drop of a hat. They have up to 54 currencies that you can hold. They now have a debit card available for Canadians that you can use anywhere, make US dollar purchases online if you need to, withdraw US cash if you need to. Now the cons of this account, so Wise is only an online bank. They don't have a branch that you can go into, you know, tell them about all your problems, tell them about your kids, blah, blah, blah. So there's not your typical ways of e-transferring in TransferWise that you might be used to as a Canadian. You can really only wire transfer. They do have Swift. Some of those transfer features might not be what you used to in your specific country. So all of our banks here in Canada are CDIC insured. And what this means is pretty much if the banks ever fail, the governments just bail them out by printing as much money as they want and giving all the money back to their customers. So they can't really fail. But on TransferWise, they're not really backed by that insurance. So if you do lose your money, it's going to be gone. Now I'm sure they have some other kind of insurance there, but it's not backed by one government. And it's a little harder to get straight cash. So if you wanted to pull, let's say $1,000 out US, if you're in America at the time, TransferWise might be a more expensive way to do that than exchanging at home, exchanging in your specific country, flying there, or going to a currency exchange itself. But overall, this is a great tool for freelancers, people who make money online, businesses who want a borderless account to get paid in multiple different currencies, just individuals who want to hold multiple different currencies. Business and jobs are becoming more and more online. You're going to see your business, you're going to see your career get more and more dollars from all over the place if you have products that reach, you know, worldwide. And you're going to need an account that can hold and receive multiple different currencies for you. So TransferWise is the best solution that I've come across for this. Now you can use my referral link below to sign up for TransferWise. You're eligible to get your first transfer under $800 for free when you get started with Wise. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. And thanks for watching.